Starting a web design business can be an exciting venture for those with a passion for creativity and technology. Success in this field requires a combination of technical skills, business acumen, and effective marketing strategies. Here's a practical and detailed guide on how to kickstart your own web design business. Step 1. Acquire necessary skills and education. Before diving into the business world, it's crucial to hone your web design skills. Familiarize yourself with popular design tools such as Adobe Creative Suite, Sketch, or Figma. Understanding coding languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript will also be beneficial. Consider taking relevant courses or obtaining a degree in graphic or web design to build a solid foundation. Staying updated on industry trends is essential in this fast-paced field. Step 2. Develop a strong portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing your best work. Include a variety of projects to demonstrate your versatility. If you're just starting, consider doing pro bono work or offering your services at a discounted rate for friends and family to build your portfolio. Quality visuals and well-documented case studies will not only attract clients but also provide evidence of your expertise. Step 3. Set up your business. Choose a business structure, such as sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation, and register your business with the appropriate authorities. Secure a domain name and create a professional website for your business. Clearly outline your services, portfolio, pricing, and contact information. Invest in reliable web hosting and design your site to reflect your design style, showcasing your abilities to potential clients. Step 4. Define your niche and target audience. Identify your target market and specialize in a niche. This could be industry-specific, such as e-commerce, healthcare, or real estate. Focusing on a niche allows you to tailor your services and marketing efforts more effectively. Research your competitors to understand the needs of your target audience and find ways to differentiate yourself, whether through unique design styles, faster turnaround times, or competitive pricing. Step 5. Implement effective marketing strategies. Utilize digital marketing techniques to promote your web design business. Leverage social media platforms to showcase your work, engage with your audience, and build a community around your brand. Develop a content marketing strategy, creating blog posts or video tutorials that demonstrate your expertise and provide value to potential clients. Networking is also crucial. Attend industry events, join online forums, and build relationships with other professionals. Encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews and testimonials to enhance your credibility. In conclusion, starting a web design business requires a combination of technical skills, a strong portfolio, effective business setup, a defined niche, and strategic marketing efforts. By investing time and effort into these aspects, you can build a successful web design business and establish yourself as a reputable designer in the competitive market.